Today we're going to show you how to pick the correct weight option for your replacement coil balance. When working with window balances, always make sure to wear eye protection. Unlike other types of balances, each individual coil spring is calibrated to carry a precise weight. These are then tallied up to cover the total weight of your sash. Most coil springs come with a stamp printed on the flat part of the band near the end that attaches to the pivot shoe. This is usually a clear indicator of how much weight that spring can support. Oftentimes the stamp will contain 3 digits. In this example, the weight is indicated by the last number. If your springs don't have a stamp to begin with, or if they're too worn to read, then you will need to weigh your sash in order to determine the proper weight option. You can do this by using any common bathroom scale. Once you have the weight of the sash, divide that number by how many springs support it. Sometimes evenly dividing the weight between the springs won't give you the appropriate support. For instance, if your sash was 22 pounds, you would need to evenly split the weight option between 4 springs by using one 5-pound and one 6-pound spring per side. If you are unsure of what weight option to choose for your coil balance, please contact our experts at swissco.com for guidance.